This isn't just a classic, this is a frame-off restored big block monster that wakes up history with every shift. There are cars and then there are machines that define an entire era of performance. What you're looking at is the essence of American muscle reborn in its purest form. The Chevrolet Chevelle SS, fully frame-off restored, rebuilt not just to look original, but to feel alive in every inch of asphalt it touches. The first thing you notice is the stance, low, wide, aggressive. The kind of presence that doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. Underneath that long sculpted hood sits a GM 396 cubic inch big block V8, a power plant that helped define the golden age of horsepower. This is not modern silence or digital precision. This is mechanical thunder, fuel, fire, and steel working in perfect analog harmony. Turn the key and the engine doesn't start, it erupts. The idle is deep, uneven, and alive, like it's breathing through iron lungs. Every pulse of the carburetor sends a reminder that this machine was built in a time when horsepower was honest and unfiltered. Paired with that brutal big block is a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, one of the most respected gearboxes in muscle car history. Each shift is deliberate. Mechanical, connected. There's no softness here, no isolation between driver and machine. You don't drive this Chevelle casually, you operate it with intent. First gear pulls hard, second gear stretches the horizon, and third feels like the world starts to blur at the edges. But what makes this truly special is not just power, it's refinement within aggression. This is a full frame-off restoration, meaning the entire body was separated from the chassis and rebuilt from the ground up. Every bolt, every bushing, every line of wiring has been addressed. The result is a car that looks like it rolled straight out of 1967, but performs with a level of precision that the original engineers could only dream of. It's the kind of restoration where nothing is accidental. Panels align with purpose. Paint reflects like liquid glass. Chrome doesn't just shine, it mirrors the environment like polished steel art. Yet beneath that beauty lies a completely renewed foundation designed to handle real power, because power like this demands control. That's where the upgrades come in. Wilwood disc brakes sit behind the wheels, delivering modern stopping force to match the big block's aggression. When you press the pedal, the response is immediate, no hesitation, no vintage fade. Just controlled deceleration that brings hundreds of horsepower back to earth with confidence. Power steering makes the experience surprisingly usable. At low speeds, the car turns with ease, almost deceptive for something built with this much muscle. But as speed builds, the steering tightens, communicating every nuance of the road surface back to your hands. And then there's comfort, something rarely associated with cars of this era. Air conditioning has been integrated, transforming this from a weekend-only showpiece into something you could actually enjoy on long drives. Power brakes add another layer of drivability, making this Chevelle SS as comfortable in traffic as it is terrifying on an open road. But comfort is not the point. Emotion is, because when you're behind the wheel, nothing feels filtered. You hear the engine, you feel the vibration through the seat, you sense every mechanical interaction happening beneath you. Modern cars isolate you from the road. This machine connects you to it completely. The 1967 Chevelle SS wasn't built to be subtle. It was built during a time when Detroit was in a horsepower war, and this car was one of its most dangerous weapons. Even today, it carries that legacy in every curve, every rumble, every aggressive line of its bodywork. And this particular example, restored, refined, and mechanically enhanced, doesn't just preserve that legacy, it amplifies it. It stands as a bridge between eras. The raw, untamed spirit of 1960s American performance and the precision and reliability expected today. You don't just look at it, you don't just admire it, you experience it, because the moment that big block comes alive, the world outside fades, and all that remains is steel, sound, and speed.